Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is a very packed video. I have so much stuff spread out across here. I have stuff in front of my table. I have stuff underneath the table. I have stuff to the left of the table, and I have stuff to the right of the table. So what I'm going to do is try to cut this off once I hit like around the 15 to 20 mark, and whatever I did not get in this video, I will just save it for another video. But I have so much to talk about, so much crochet. Crochet has been very busy in my life. Let's go ahead and I will start off with the tutorial that I have out. I just posted one today, and I hope you guys like it. It is nice and simple. It is for the beginner, but it is something that a lot of us probably have not even thought about. And so it is the soap pad. And it is, so you can lay your soap on it, and when it's on the side of the tub, or even on your bathroom sink or kitchen sink. And it's not only for your soap, but you can put your soap dispenser, sit it on top of it, so that's because sometimes they will leak and it will get on this instead of on your sink, and you have the soap scum and stuff on there. And I like it because on my bathtub, the soap tends, when it dries, tends to stick to the tub, and so you have to sit there and pry the soap off of the tub. I mean, surely I'm not the only one out there that has experienced this. So that's when this comes in handy. But you can also wash with it because it's cotton. So that's a little secret. So that is the tutorial I have for this week. And I have them in, you're probably asking why I have so many red and whites. These are actually made for my mom and for one of my sisters. And my bathroom is blue, so I made a blue one. Now, this is my first one, and I made it a little too long, or longer than I feel like it needed to be. And so but I'm keeping it, obviously. So I made me another one. This one is for one of my bathrooms, and or for my guest bathroom. And so I made it in the color to kind of match that bathroom, you know. And so that's why that one is there. But that's why I have so many of the red and white ones. So I hope that you guys will pop on over there and just check out. It's just a little short tutorial because it's easy, but it is beginner friendly. So all of you new crocheters out there, jump on it. I think you'll be very happy with it. One thing that a lot of you probably haven't thought about either is not only when you make this, but you for yourself, but you can make it as gifts, because you can actually buy like bars of soap to give as a gift with one of these pads. And even for the men, Father's Day is coming up. You know, buy the man soap and make one of these little cotton cloths to go with it. And you can also buy the soap dispensers and then have this for each of the soap dispensers that you give. So there you go. A lot of reasons to make that. The one that I just happened to use for the tutorial is the peaches and cream, because I wanted this to be done in cotton for mildew reasons and things like that. I wanted the cotton. And also, you know, because like I said, what if I decide I want to just kind of use it as a washcloth as well? So there we go. All right, so let's move on to the next thing that I have on this table right here. We have the tutorial that I will be putting out. It will be next week, because I have to actually make one. I had to actually make the tutorial as I go. But the one that I did finish, and I love it. I wore this out shopping. Oh my gosh, I love it. But here it is. It is the Granny Stitch cardigan. Very easy. My thing is just trying to get it in PDF form to where, you know, where it's understandable for all levels of crocheters. That is my goal, is and that's hard, guys. That's really, to me, that is harder than just crocheting something up and designing something, is to put it in written form. Oh my gosh. But I have some people helping me. One is Alyssa from Llama Unraveled Crochet. Thank you, Alyssa. She's always right there with me to help me on the math and things like that on my PDF, on my crochet wearables. I couldn't do this without her. So anyway, thank you for that, Alyssa, for helping me out. So yeah, so this is one of the cardigans that I have. Very easy. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. The yarn that I happen to use for this is the Premier Luna, and that's for this one right here. It is discontinued, but just in case you were wondering about this yarn, to make this one, I think I used 4 of these. I did get into the 5th one, but just for like the last part of maybe the edging on the sleeves. This is 273 yards. It is a 3-weight yarn, and it's called Neptune. This is Premier Luna anti-pilling yarn, and it's very pretty, as you can tell. I did go to Kohl's and find me a sleeveless lavender top to wear underneath this, so it'll be nice and cool, so that I can wear it for the majority of the summer. Okay, or at least the first and the end, right? Okay, so for the tutorial part of it, I went to Kohl's and I found this pink, ombre effect top, and I think they were on sale for like $6.99 at Kohl's. They had one of these ombres in this color right here. So I'm going to have to go online and order it, because I want to make me one of these as well, in this ombre. I just love this ombre. I can't help it. But I really wanted that one. So I'm going to, like I said, go online on Kohl's and order me one of these, but in this color. All right, so what I did is since I found this, I had placed an order from Joann's, and I will show that in another video because I don't have time in this video. I had placed an order for some Bernat. I don't know if it's Bernat or Bernat. I'm just going to call it Bernat. I don't know if it really matters. But it was softy cotton. And I got it, and I had it in white. And I was like, oh my gosh. And it's a 3-weight. That's what I want for my cardigan. And like I said, I had bought this, and I came home, and I couldn't find anything pink. I found something a light pink, but it just wasn't quite right. My husband, he was like, no, you need that darker pink. And so when this happened to come in right after our conversation, and I had it in white, I was like, oh my gosh, that's it. Let me go see if they have a dark pink. So I went online to Joann's, and I found it in dark pink. And it was on sale. So like half price. So I bought, I think 1, 2, 3, I bought 4. That's all they had in this color, or at least in my store. I didn't buy it online where they ship it. I bought it where you go to the store and the curbside pickup. There you go, because I wanted it right then. I didn't want to wait for it to come in. Anyway, so yes, this is what I'm using. It is so soft. I love this. Matter of fact, I'm fixing to go online as soon as I finish this video, and I'm fixing to order more colors. I love this so much, and this is all I have worked up in it for right now, but I can already tell I'm in love with it. I have this much right here, which I'm going to have to take this apart, because since I'm redoing the tutorial, instead of the I hook that I did the Neptune with, I'm going with a J hook. So maybe I can make less rows by having a bigger hook. And maybe my hose will be a little bit bigger this time too. A little bit more, breezy, let some air in type thing. So I'm doing this in a J hook. But yeah, so I got to go in. I already know what I've got to add. I've got to add 6 more stitches is all. And it will be equal to the size of my other cardigan. And this is like the back panel. But yes, I'm so excited over this yarn. Price is good. But here's what it says. It says Bernat Softy Cotton, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It's a medium. It's a 3 light. It recommends a G hook for crochet and a 4mm hook of knitting needles. Machine washable and dryable. There is 254 yards in here, and the color is fuchsia. But there's the label in case you need to look for that in case you want to run to Joann's and get it while it's on sale. I'm gonna make sure I have mine bought though before I let you guys know about it, so you guys don't buy out my colors that I need. I need black. That's really the only thing I need. I need black because I want to make a black one of these. Okay, that's done with. Oh, and then I'm going to order this color in it so that I can order this t-shirt right here and have me a matching cardigan for it as well. Okay, let's see, what else do I have? Oh yes, if you are an email subscriber to adoringdollclothes.com, this is the free pattern for June. It is a frog pillow for the little dolls, and I will get that emailed to you. The other thing is the Snow White. Yay, I'm done. I'm just waiting for it to come back. But I started out, if you remember, with the Evil Queen. And this is done with on an American Girl doll. Right here. Let me get my hand up here. That's the American Girl doll. And this cape does come off. And that's what you hook it up to. And she does have shoes. Okay, then, I don't know if I can get all this in here. I'm going to try. We have Snow White. And here she is. I'm going to try and get all 3 dolls in here. Guess what, guys? There's my prince. So we have all 3 of the characters. And dig this. I am actually thinking of taking my little 14-inch and trying to make a couple of dwarf outfits. So it'll be Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. But yeah, that's them right there. I'm so tickled over these. And there's his little cape comes off. He really was a lot of fun to make. I have to admit, I really did enjoy making him. His is actually a one piece. His boots do not come off separate from the pants. I put them on there so that when the child is playing with the doll, she can take the whole outfit off. Let's see if I can. Oh, I did that. This is removable separately. This tunic is separate. And then the white shirt, the pants, and the boot is all one piece. And that way the child don't lose all those pieces. Yeah. So that is what I have finished. And my next outfit is going to be like a little Hawaiian, little luau type girl, you know, with the little grass skirt and the little top. I hadn't decided what, well, I do have a, you know how I draw my pictures out and I color them. I do have that. But I'm thinking about changing her top. So I really can't proceed until I get the top exactly figured out. Because I don't know if I want the coconut look. Or if I want like a pull up like where it's all green and it just pulls up like to right here. And then the hulu skirt comes off of it. And then it's like all one piece. Or do I want the coconuts with the tie, where it ties around the neck and then it ties around here. Because I can't have both options, because the top and the hulu skirt would be all one piece. Unless, you know what? Now that I'm talking about it, I could make it. I could make a green swimsuit, which is sort of a pattern that I already have anyway. Just make that same swimsuit, but make it in green, and then make the hulu skirt that they can slip over the doll. And, well, no, because I wanted the hulu skirt to have built-in bathing suit bottom. So I either had to leave the top of it off like this, or put the top on. One of the two. So anyway, that's where I'm at with that. Okay, you guys, we are only at 15 minutes. Let me do the other thing. The only other thing I can do. I'm not going to show any of my new yarns, I guess. But our giveaway winner. It is Amanda Sellers. This was for my secret giveaway that I had. And let me show you the picture. It's Amanda Sellers right here. She is the winner. And she says, I love the turtle slippers. Super cute. So that was a secret giveaway that I had when I showed off the turtle slippers. So if you watched that video and all the way to the end, you saw that where it looked like I was cutting off the video and telling everyone bye, but instead I started up a giveaway. And there were 347 of you guys that actually caught that and put the secret word in there. So that was really cool. But yeah, we're running late on time, so this does go to Amanda. Amanda, you need to contact me at psbarton99@sbcglobal.net, and I will leave my email in the description box below. But you need to email me, and I will send you a secret word that you will need to go back into that video and edit your comment and put that secret word in there so that I know that you're who you are and someone is not trying to steal this prize from you. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned because I have a Christmas carousel box that I want to show off in another video. I have a Joann's yarn haul, huge yarn haul. Then I have a, let me see how you even pronounce this word. Okay, I have a Guchet yarn haul. They're from Daytona Beach. Gucci or Guchet, however you want to pronounce it. Guchet, Gucci, Guchet, whichever one sounds best, right? I'm going to say Guchet. I'm going to say Guchet. So from Guchet.com. Oh, I'm having so much fun with that word. Anyway, so I have a yarn haul in that I will show you guys. And I have a yarn haul from a friend that actually, from my church, that gave me some stuff. I have a yarn haul from Premier. Yeah, I have a lot of yarn hauls. Yeah, and I'm sure I'll have some more finished objects for you guys. Okay, if you're staying this long, let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer so that I can at least stay under 25 minutes. And I want to make sure I get this in my video for sure. Okay, and this being Friday, you know, we need to end the weekend with God's word, right? It says, we do not have a high priest who is unable to empathize with our weakness, but we have one who has been tempted in every way, just as we are, yet he did not sin. That's Hebrews 4:15. God, you understand temptation. You know weakness. You came to the earth as a man, and you felt hunger and pain. You experienced temptation. You know my struggle. You resisted the pull of comfort and sacrificed the pleasure of the fleeting in exchange for the satisfaction of eternal. You get me. It's such a gift, Lord, to be able to approach you not with shame, but boldly as one trying to overcome the very things you triumphed over. You don't judge me, though you have every right. You empathize and you point the way past today, past my weakness, and to forever. It says, aren't you glad that God understands temptation and that he has provided a way out? Yes, and that is perfect to end our week with. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay, that is all that I have in this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.